Hello, I'm Oscar from Flowspace. Today, I'll be walking you through how we help merchants ensure retailer-compliant fulfillment through packing directives and photo verification. For many brands, including those shipping to B2B retailers, a major fulfillment challenge isn't just getting orders out the door, but ensuring that every shipment is packed correctly, consistently, and in line with retailer requirements at scale. Flowspace solves this by embedding packing directives directly into warehouse workflows and providing visual confirmation of fulfillment for orders as they are processed. To get started, our account management team partners with you to define packing requirements and set up rules based on order attributes such as destination or sales channel. We also configure order verification steps, including packing directive confirmation and photo verification requirements using our order automation rules tool. After initial configuration, warehouse operators receive clear, guided, step-by-step packing instructions as they fulfill each order. These instructions ensure that every shipment is packed according to your specific retailer or customer requirements, reducing the risk of errors or non-compliance. Operators may be required to confirm that they've followed packing instructions before proceeding, adding an additional layer of accountability at the point of fulfillment. If photo verification is enabled, operators must capture images of the completed shipment before it leaves the warehouse. This creates a visual record of fulfillment, helping validate packing accuracy, reduce disputes and chargebacks, and provide proof in case of delivery or damage claims. As a Flowspace merchant, you can access these images anytime after the order is completed by visiting the photo verification section within the order details page, giving you full visibility and confidence in how your orders are fulfilled. With packing directives and photo verification, Flowspace ensures orders are packed correctly and consistently, giving you visibility and confidence in every shipment.